not no power.
Is it something up under their thing?
One of our generators once had this problem. I don't remember. I think it was the diesel generator.
And they switched that switch.
And it was something that was broken. I forgot what it was.
Was it a
diameter? A diameter?
I don't know, but is it a fuse?
Should I call him?
Hold on. It's supposed to be the reset. I wonder if there's a fuse or something in here.
I think it is. It isn't. There go the thing right there.
Oh, you see a fuse?
No, where it's telling you where it might be a fuse.
I don't see it. If it was a fuse, it'll be somewhere up here.
I'm gonna call him.
You got your thing done?
I don't got it.
Okay.
Well, I'll be back.
Hello back, family. We was on our way home from the land, and Sweet Juicy Mama just all of a sudden said, I think I want me a refrigerator, so we about to go up in here and see what she about to pick out.
No, the old one wanted us to have a new refrigerator.
Whatever, Sweet Juicy Mama. Sweet, juicy, beautiful, luscious. Girl, you better keep that monster. We back. She said she didn't want to wait till tomorrow. She said she wanted now.
No problem.
So, because she said she.
Air fryer.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You want that too, Sweet
No, I
Mama?
have one.
Oh.
Oh, I thought you wanted. You say it's a digital one.
Babe, she said it's a digital one.
I like this.
Oh yeah.
It's so cold.
It's
I like
for
that
you.
too.
And we
Yeah.
have the vacuum cleaners.
What we gonna do with that? I don't have.
Yeah, clean
So
carpet.
what you mean you don't
and
do
the
with that?
windows. Oh yeah.
I don't have.
I know you will be needing this because like you have a carpet, right? You will get one.
No.
I know in the future.
Good
you get
saleswoman.
One. Yeah.
You're
and I want.
Excellent.
Let me answer this first.
Excellent saleswoman.
And then you have windows, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can clean this with the window. You see?
Now, I just like to eat. Now, you know,
You just have to use this.
oh,
you know?
the attachment.
Yeah,
Like that.
perfect.
Ah.
You see?
But everything in the Gambia is tile.
Yeah, I know, but like people buy carpets, put
Okay,
them in
on
the
top.
middle of the
Yes, like
living
that.
room, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Can you, I don't remember. So if you could show me the one that she wants to
Sure.
purchase.
Is this one? This way, please.
Okay.
That's all right here. You said 33.
Yeah, this is the one.
This
you
is the
want.
one.
Yeah.
We want 33. Just 33.
Oh,
Knock off the
really?
5. Yeah.
This is nice.
You see how big it
So
is?
yes. Oh, so we can put eggs here.
So, yeah, you
Eggs
can
here.
put eggs there.
And you were pulling this.
And,
You was pulling that. Well, what is that you was pulling? What? Oh.
You
oh,
can
so-
just put some fruits or vegetables
okay.
there. It's
Some
another yeah.
fruits or what?
Yeah, vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah, and
Yes.
this one you
Okay.
have a big box here.
Got you.
Yeah,
And we can put the water up here.
sure.
Got you.
Like
Okay, so-
fish, chicken.
Everything.
Yeah, sure.
Got you.
And you see
We'll
this
tell them about
ice cube?
But we're not.
Oh, so you put the water in there.
Yeah, it's an ice
Oh,
cube
that's
box.
beautiful. How do you get the ice out?
You just have
You
to.
gotta unthaw it, flip it out, shock it out.
No, but look what
something.
she just did.
You see?
I just said you gotta
No,
move
but
it.
do that again, and it'll fall out.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's acting like he hadn't bought anything in years.
No, we
Yeah,
haven't.
but, we're
we
doing
I
sales.
know.
haven't bought anything in years.
Okay, now,
So this one is nice.
now we don't want the flow model, right?
No, you said in a box, right?
Yeah, in a box.
No, manager lady, this says warranty for 2 years,
No,
right?
we give out 1 year warranty.
What? But you got
This
right
is from
here.
the company. So we have to see at least 2 years. 1 year warranty for the customers, and we check the other one.
You take the other one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So-
It will be written.
Yeah, I'll put it in the receipt.
Okay, got.
1 year warranty. Anything.
Gotcha.
You just call me.
Gotcha.
I'll send a technician. He will
Why it's so expensive?
Because it's brand new now, but it's brand new. So
Yeah.
We,
This is less than 2 months though.
what do you
But
mean
like-
2 months?
The display one.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
good.
if
But I
I
have
bought
it-
the display, would it be 31,000?
Yeah, I have a new one in the back.
Come on, we have to go, Ray.
Oh, no.
The guy is there at the house.
Well, you make that sale with her and make that
This is a nice
purchase.
one too.
You want that one
How
instead?
much this?
That one is good for. This is the only last piece I have. So it's good for 50,000.
Good for 50,000.
Yes. And I know you will love this. Look at this one. It has two.
Where's the ice
ices.
like the other one?
It doesn't have that.
Oh, I don't like this
I
one
don't
then.
like
Oh,
this
you don't
'cause
like-
there's nowhere to put my bottle.
Okay.
The bottled water.
Yeah, I don't like that.
All right, that's
Okay,
fine.
so we just go ahead and get this other
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
All
I
right.
have to go.
All right, 33. No problem.
Yes.
I'll remove the pack.
All right.
33 even,
Yes.
right?
They have little miniature places here. We can tell Kiki, sweet mama,
What is that? How much
it's
so?
10,005
It's a bedroom fridge.
For my daughter.
for my daughter.
Yeah.
Yes. They even got one for 9.5.
Different sizes, different brands.
Got you. They got 9.5 too. God, this AC is the bomb. Oh my God, that right there makes me feel like I'm in Chicago. Chicago winter season. Walking to school in the snow, only gym shoes on, no boots. That's what that reminds me of right there. What was the name of the school? West Garfield on the west side of Chicago. Tilton, west side of Chicago. Austin, west side of Chicago. Walking in the snow. Ooh, that feels good. All right, so I like that one. Oh, the lady is mopping, so can't walk that way. And look at this now. I'm not sure if this is the biggest that they have over here, but this I think is a 20-liter washing machine. We like those Speed Queens and Maytags, but one thing you'll notice when you come over here to the Gambia or overseas in general, everything is smaller than it is in America. So you kind of got to just downsize or get used to it or bring it over here, okay? But this is a Sharp. I'm not sure Sweet Juicy Mama would want this for the 4,000 square foot house, but that's what the price is, $23,500. Now, one thing you also got to notice that, listen, there is no dryer. You basically put it in a washing machine and let it, oh, but here's an air dryer.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up here saying there's no dryers.
That's the manual one. It has a washer and an air dryer.
Oh,
Yeah, but those one have both, like the automatic ones.
ah,
Yeah.
okay.
What's the telephone number, please?
271
271
5261.
5261.
I don't want it on here.
Oh, okay.
271 5261. Okay.
Can you say vegetables one more time?
Vegetables.
No.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah, we say
Vegetables.
vegetables.
Oh, yeah. So
Okay. It's the different ring. Okay.
Yeah.
Vegetables. Okay. All right.
So you have to keep this receipt.
Okay.
Like, it gives them everything that's happened with fridge. It's in the water. Just tell me that this number, you will get Hadija on the line.
Okay.
So I'll send the technician to the
Yes. Would you recommend we put it on a stabilizer or plug it into the wall?
Yeah,
Is
sure,
okay.
sure. We have a stabilizer.
No,
but-
we have one too. So you
Okay, how many
recommend
watts?
We have a
3,000.
transformer too, sir.
No, would you recommend? Because you know Norwick, the power's
Yeah,
on
yeah,
and off,
sure.
on
You
and
have to
off.
put it there. Since you have a stabilizer, just connect it.
It's better to use that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got one.
Okay then. Because I don't want nothing to go wrong
And
with
it's not
this.
being used.
All right. Anything you want to say, sweet mama?
It's back there.
All right, but you finally got your refrigerator
520.
now.
Yes, we do.
Rush.
Gotcha.
It's just for the bedroom
This-
because the kids broke downstairs.
That's my
So
truck.
Instead of
Is
giving
it fit on the
them,
truck?
Yeah, it will.
instead of giving the kids the new one, I chose the new one. They get the one that's in my bedroom.
Yay!
That's why. So when we move to the house, we still have to buy a bigger one. So
There you go. And let me show you the bigger one that I like.
I don't like any one of them.
Now she don't like
I like it, but I want something commercial.
exactly, but this is what I like because you know you got hooked on it in America and stuff. See right here, you got cubed ice, and you got water, and you also got crushed ice. And I love this feature from America and stuff. Okay, look inside of it. Kind of spacious, but we like it a little bit more. But nice, guys. Okay, this is the design that I like. The water, but I like it in stainless steel. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me get back over here so we can get this because we got a lot more running around to do. Sweet Juicy Mama might be getting her SUV back this week. SUV back this week. Bye. What you over here looking at now, Sweet Juicy Mama?
Just looking, sweet.
Do we got a juicer over here or something?
This one right here.
A juicer blender?
They call this a juicer. Like the one that is electric though. You put the fruit in there and just do it that way.
You want something like that, Sweet Mama? Yeah, I want something like we saw at that Mexican restaurant in Atlanta.
Exactly.
So where's that at?
I don't think that's in here.
Oh, okay then.
At least I don't see it.
So did the lady sell you on your vacuum cleaner?
I don't have carpet.
Oh,
And I don't want carpet.
oh,
Know
so
what all this
you
saying?
tile. You're a tile woman now.
No, I don't want all that saying, you know, you going in the house and
That's
all
why we
that
got a cleaning service, Sweet Mama. If everybody had that attitude, we won't have a business over here.
Mm-hmm.
We need carpet.
You are not gonna do it.
What?
You gonna go back to it?
A hell to the no.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna train somebody to go out there and do that.
That's one of those voltage. That's a transformer.
Yeah, Sweet Mama.
We got
A
two.
voltage
of those.
regulator. As long as we can use one for that.
We have two.
That's
One
cool.
is both at the lane, but we can bring that back.
Good
But
job.
We have a stabilizer that's not being used.
Mm-hmm.
That red one.
Gotcha. So you like your new refrigerator?
Yes, I love it.
So what's up?
What the hell? Nah, you still in the hole.
I'm still, whoa.
No, you
That's what I was talking
You
about.
know,
Go ahead.
get out here, Rick.
Okay, bye.
No, yeah, Jata.
Oh, yeah, Jato.
He said no. Yeah, Jate.
My two friends.
Yes. I was wondering why they didn't use a dolly. It would be easier.
Manual labor.
Oh shit. He dropped it. That's 5,000 gone. He dropped his refrigerator. I hope this thing works. Why this taxi moving up? That works perfectly. He was trying to lock him in. Thank you. Thank you, yeah.
My big friends.
Yes. I'll be back. Now, how he gonna drop the darn refrigerator?
Right in front of the place. Did you record that?
Yes, it failed. That's why I said 5,000 is off. If that thing don't work when we get back.
Yep.
But we'll see you guys in a few.
Say you gotta sit up for about 3 hours.
That's no problem. As long as I got some cold water in the other fridge, I'm sure they can wait another 3 hours. Bye.
All right, bye.
It's so fun.